Mm.
and
good catch.
good catch because it is funny.
Fun is
Okay, how about Plants of the Kalahari? You like it?
no, it's boring. It's boring.
You did, of course. No one likes boring movie, of course. No one
Or
likes it.
maybe Mediterranean moon.
Mediterranean Moon. It's a romantic movie. It's a love story. Mm. Okay, so we have here. You read the DVD box label, then write the genre of each movie. Example, for one, it's documentary. Okay, please write. Comedy, love story. What genre is that? Science fiction, documentary, action.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, let us have here. Let us have the horror. Oh, it's horror movie. As you can see, scary. This one, hilarious and ridiculous at the same time. This is, yeah, it's comedy or funny. It's a comedy movie. Tango in the Top Shoes, great singing and dancing. What kind of movie is this?
Teacher.
Okay, next is musical movie. As you can
Musical.
see, it's singing and dancing. It's like romantic because you can see
Yeah.
boy and girl. Okay, it's romantic because you can see boy and girl.
Girl.
Okay, so that is musical movie. Comedy, you're right, because it is sad, it's hilarious and ridiculous and scary. You won't sleep for a week because this is so scary. It's horror movie. Documentary, this is the beautiful images of life under the sea. So it's documentary. You can see here all the beautiful images that you can see in the water. Okay, so these are the different DVD box labels, and of course you will gonna uh, choose or pinpoint what is the genre for this one. Okay, so they can make notes about two movies that you've seen recently. Oh, it's not actually the one you can see in the cinema, but maybe you can see in the TV. Okay, title, genre, the stars, what's the movie all about? Make two. Okay, two. I need two. Okay, you can write here. Very short only. Do not make it too long. Any movie, I need two movies.
No,
Go me.
uh,
Any movie, not
like,
even though it's not the latest, it's not recently. If you haven't watched movie this week or this
okay.
month, yeah, any movie that you've watched before, go.
Teacher,
Yes.
I have seen this like a just movie recently.
Yeah. Even
Just
though it's not
one movie.
recently, even though it's like 6 months, the one that you've watched before.
But I have seen this one. I don't
Oh, My
know.
Hero Academia Violent. Okay, what is this movie all about? Oh, do not make the stars. What is this movie all about?
It's hard to explain. It's very long.
Do not write it. You explain it to me now.
No. The movie about is very long, teacher.
Okay, just a short talk. The movie is about this one. Okay, what is that? It's about,
Like
it's Japanese movie? Hero
yeah,
Academia? Yeah, I'm
yep.
familiar
A
with this.
Japanese movie.
It's a Japanese movie from the series of manga. From the series of manga?
Yeah, it's manga.
Yeah, okay, I knew that. Okay, so why you like manga? Huh?
Like it's about the boy. It's about the main character. It's a boy,
Hmm.
and with no like ability.
Okay. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, it's a boy. I am familiar with the Hero Academia from the manga series, but I don't know if you're familiar with this. There is a particular, what do you call that one? A movie in which it's actually a romantic movie from the manga series too. Like the boy is the girl is immortal, and then the boy wants the girl is immortal and the boy is mortal, but then so they want but the girl in love with the boy, like that. And then but even though the boy is mortal and the girl is immortal, so the girl can stay up to 100 years, but the boy can't, because the boy is mortal, so they have to live life within 50 years. In the 50 years, so they have to meet each other within that 50 years. But the boy, when the girl comes back, the boy is already died. He's dead already. So the love story is unending. I really want to watch that movie, not in cartoon, but in the real life. It's a really nice movie from the manga series too. Okay? So I understand the Hero Academia. Okay, what else movie? So you love manga series. You love it? You love you love mostly the movie in there? Nee? You love the manga series movie? Hero Academia is from manga series. Okay, what movie? Another movie. Okay, what movie do you think that you like? Okay, that's all? Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, write your own response to each statement or questions. Example. Wait me, huh? Example here. Okay, sorry I am late. Okay, so what will be your response for this? So when somebody will gonna tell you, me, sorry I am late, what you will gonna say?
Sorry, just no problem.
How long have you been here? What is your response?
Hmm?
How long have you been here? Okay, number two.
What?
Number two, look at number two.
How have you been here? But
Mm.
where?
How long have
Where?
you been here? Okay, example,
Where?
somebody's
In
asking you.
Danang?
Yeah.
I've been here for um 11 years.
Okay, it's 11 years. Okay, so I rented Murder at Midnight. I hope that's okay. Okay, what will be? This is a movie. Murder at
Me
Midnight.
too.
Okay, you bought the ticket. How much do I owe?
Just 20,000 dollars.
Oh my God. Okay, 20,000. Okay, next time it's my treat. What will be your response for this?
Mm, I think I don't know.
What will be your response for this one?
Next time is my treat.
Mm-hmm. Or next time it's my treat. And you will gonna say?
Mm, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know this.
You will gonna say, oh, thank you. Of course, you will gonna
I don't
say
know
thank
the
you. Somebody will gonna ask you,
and
will gonna say to
I
you,
don't know.
yeah, next time it's my treat. We'll go to the cinema, we'll watch movie. So of course you will
I
gonna
don't
say
know.
thank you. When somebody
Yeah.
example, no will tell you, me, let us have a movie. Okay, next time, and that would be my treat for you. Of course, you will gonna say to no, thank you, no, for the movie. Okay, right? Okay, I have questions. Oh, do you like watching films? Hmm, do you like to watch films? Nee, do you like watching films?
Yeah.
Of course, yes, everyone does. What kind of movie do you like the best? Comedy. You like comedy, right? Comedy and what? What else, Master? Comedy and look at this. The Lord of the Rings, Spider-Man. Okay, this is love story. Comedy and Pastor Ngi.
Romantic.
Romantic. Okay. Okay. Do you like foreign films or films that made in your country? This is in England. Okay, this is
Two picture
Korean.
is in Vietnam.
This one, it's in
I
Vietnam.
know this movie.
What movie is that?
Um,
This
I
one, this
can't
one,
remember the name,
this
but I
one, this
know
one,
this.
this one.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
they are famous in Vietnam.
Yes.
Okay. So this is from Vietnam, and I guess this from England in the foreign movie, foreign country. Okay, so which one do you like? The one that is taken in Vietnam or the one that is made in a foreign or it's a foreign films? Which one?
Mm-hmm.
Which one do you like? The one that is made from Vietnam
Foreign
or from
film.
other country? Which one? Okay, the pictures
What?
are below. Which one? Yeah,
Uh,
you read the question. Do you prefer foreign films or
I
films
don't know.
made
I
in
don't
your
know.
country? You don't know?
Foreign film.
Okay, foreign films. Okay. How often do you go to the cinema to watch movie like kids does?
Rarely.
Okay. Oh, that's all. Okay. So thank you so much, Ni, for today. And I will see you on Monday, 3 p.m. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.